As per our ongoing share boundlessness cost expectation, the worth of a share vastness will expanded by 245.36%, coming to $21.70 by end of 2025, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. All specialized markers by and large show that the ongoing feeling especially is negative, while the trepidation and avarice file is perusing 32.02, and that implies commonly intense apprehension, which is genuinely huge. Our a share vastness figure, it's unsafe to sort of sell a share limitlessness at this moment in opposition to mainstream thinking. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative opinion among a share boundlessness cost forecasts. See the specific a share boundlessness cost expectation underneath. You will truly know how fundamentally much a share vastness basically is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the kind of most recent 30 days, a share vastness has diminished by 12.67%. Because of this, we can truly get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of June, the worth of a share boundlessness expanded by 111.92%. and came to approach around $12.76 in a sort of large manner. At present, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity file shows 32.02 intense feelings of dread in a fundamentally significant manner. As indicated by our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell a share boundlessness. Presently, a share limitlessness is exchanging underneath the 200 basic, moving in every way that really matters, normal in a significant way. For the essentially most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a share vastness selling signal. The cost of a share endlessness sort of is at present running beneath the 50-day basic moving normal. SMA, and it truly shows a sell signal. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $8.17 toward the finish of December, in spite of mainstream thinking. By December 2023-2024, a share infinity S momentary 50-day SMA shows a $6.43. The in every practical sense relative strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, sort of is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money in a real sense is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI for the most part is as of now at or civilu in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This demonstrates that the AXS market is in an impartial position. A share endlessness, AXS value expectation 2023, in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, a share vastness came to $13.38. When it basically dipped under $5.96, interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market sends out, a share boundlessness is headed to passing the $13.20 mark before the current year is over. Before $13.20, it might, all things considered, break its sign of $165.37. And in every way that really matters, arrive at amazingly. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, a share boundlessness will essentially break its past all-time high of $165.37, and by and large hold somewhere in the range of $12.87 and $13.20 soon. Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. At this point, on 24 June 2023, a share endlessness is exchanging at $6.02, and its 24-hour exchanging volume fundamentally is around 164.35 M, and it makes number 61 cash in the entire crypto world, which is very critical. A share boundlessness value expectation 2024. There, for the most part, is plausible that a share limitlessness can by and large advancement the $15.53 obstruction and truly hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least a share vastness cost will in every practical sense be between $12.93 to $15.53, and the most reasonable a share endlessness cost will be consistent at around $14.39. toward the finish of 2024. Despite a share infinity's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally antagonistic energy utilization, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper generally is adhering to his forecast that a share vastness will reach $15.53 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. As opposed to prevalent thinking, a share endlessness value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that AXS will basically begin the year at $17.74 and exchange around $21.70. As per their expectations, this would truly be very commonly high contrasted with genuinely last year incredibly. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, or so they thought. A share endlessness value expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that a share boundlessness 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $27.69 level. A share boundlessness generally is explicitly anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at an unsurpassed high of $26.16 or $27.69 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended period of a share vastness, which essentially is genuinely huge. A share boundlessness value expectation 2027. A share endlessness value forecast, or AXS, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it has the, in every practical sense, potential to accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. Amazingly, a share infinity's cost is supposed to, in a real sense, outperform $27.69 in 2027 in a significant manner. It has been by and large anticipated that a share boundlessness will sort of arrive at the genuinely greatest cost of $27.69, and the base cost for the most part is supposed to be around $23.17 in the following a long time from 2027. A share endlessness estimate 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee say that a share boundlessness value forecast and specialized examination, a share vastness, sort of is supposed to generally cross a value level of $31.83 in 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. In the meantime, a share endlessness is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least cost of $28.57 this year in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of greatest cost may generally reach $33.01, which truly is very huge. A share vastness, AXS value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, a share limitlessness value expectation and specialized examination certainly anticipate that the expense of a share boundlessness will reach $43.19, and the cost of AXS ought to generally reach $43.